Deleting your search history on YouTube TV helps protect your privacy and resets your recommendations. You can clear individual searches or wipe everything at once. Here's how to do it easily. Start by opening YouTube TV on your phone, smart TV, or computer. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, select Privacy or History depending on your device. Choose Manage Search History. This will take you to your Google Activity settings, since YouTube TV shares history with your Google account. You'll see a list of all your past searches. To delete one item, tap the X next to the search you want to remove. To delete everything, tap Delete at the top, then select Delete All Time. Confirm your choice to clear your entire search history. You can also pause your search history by turning on Pause Search History. This stops YouTube TV from saving any new searches. Clearing your search history can refresh your recommendations and hide your viewing habits from shared devices. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.